Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video, we will learn about absolute value. Absolute value is the distance between a number and 0. For example, the picture shows a number line and it marks -5 and +3. The absolute value of -5 is 5 because the distance between -5 and 0 is 5 on a number line. The absolute value of 3 is 3 because the distance between 3 and 0 is 3 on a number line. Our first problem asks, solve this equation for x. Absolute value 3x minus 9 equals 48. When solving absolute value, we have two parts to the answer. The answer from the negative side and the answer from the positive side. First, we'll do the positive. We'll get rid of the absolute value bars. And now we have 3x minus 9 equals 48. Now we will solve for x. We'll move the -9 onto the other side, and now it changes into +9. So now we have 3x equals 48 plus 9. 48 plus 9 equals 57. And now we have 3x equals 57. To get x by itself, we divide 3x and 57 by 3. 3x divided by 3 equals x, and 57 divided by 3 equals 19. So the first part of our answer is x equals 19. Now, we will solve the negative side. Since we're solving the negative side, our problem changes. So now our problem is negative parenthesis 3x minus 9 parenthesis equals 48. We have parentheses because it's now the negative side. We can't just suddenly get rid of the parentheses because there is a negative sign before the first parenthesis. So we use the distributive property to get rid of the parentheses. Since there isn't a number after the negative sign, we will use 1. So, -1 times 3x equals -3x, and -1 times -9 equals +9. Now we have -3x plus 9 equals 48. Now we will solve. 9 becomes -9 and is switched onto the other side. And we have -3x equals 48 minus 9. 48 minus 9 equals 39. Now we have -3x equals 39. So to get x by itself, we divide -3x and 39 by -3. -3x divided by -3 equals x. And 39 divided by -3 equals -13. So the second part of our answer is x equals -13. So that means our answer is the absolute value of x in the equation 3x minus 9 equals 48 is x equals 19 and -13. Our next problem asks, solve this equation for x. Absolute value 4x plus 94 equals 86. Like our last problem, we have to get the two halves of the answer by solving both the positive side and the negative side of the problem. Like our last problem, we'll solve the positive side first. We'll take off the absolute value bars, and now we have 4x plus 94 equals 86. Now we'll solve. 94 will become -94 and is switched to the other side. Now we have 4x equals 86 minus 94. 86 minus 94 equals negative 8. And now we have 4x equals negative 8. Like our last problem, we will divide 4x and negative 8 by 4. 4x divided by 4 equals x, and negative 8 divided by 4 equals negative 2. So that means the first part of our answer is x equals negative 2. Now we solve the negative part, and our problem is now negative parenthesis 4x plus 94 parenthesis equals 86. Like our last problem, we will use 1 to get rid of the parentheses. Negative 1 times 4x equals negative 4x, and negative 1 times 94 equals negative 94. So now we have negative 4x minus 94 equals 86. Now we will solve for x. Negative 94 becomes 94 and is switched to the other side. Now we have negative 4x equals 86 plus 94. 86 plus 94 equals 180. And now we have negative 4x equals 180. Now we will divide negative 4x and 180 by negative 4. Negative 4x divided by negative 4 equals x, and then 180 divided by negative 4 equals negative 45. So the second part of our answer is negative 45. So our answer is the absolute value of x in the equation. Absolute value 4x plus 94 equals 86 is x equals negative 2 and negative 45. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video and learned something new today. See you next time.